Hello, today we'll be walking you through how to add personalizations to your messages, like the first name of your contact in your messages. To get started, you will need to compose a new message. You can do so by selecting Messages on the navigation bar found on the left-hand side of the web page, selecting Mass Messages, and then pressing Compose. Once there, we can go ahead and create a new message. If you are unsure of the steps to create a message, please watch our tutorial on how to send a message. Personalizations work by inserting data fields from a contact's information into your message body. Text-based information such as contact's first name, last name, and even date and time can be inserted into a message. To add a personalization to your message, you can get started by selecting the icon just below where you would normally type in your message body. From here, you can select the text-based data you would like to insert into your message. When selecting first name, last name, or full name, you will have the option to set a default. These default names will be used when you are sending a message to a group of contacts and a contact's name is not available to be inserted. Please note that the characters used when using a personalization will vary based on the personalization that you and your team would like to insert in your message. Once you've completed composing your message, you may send out your message as normal. And that's how you're able to insert a personalization for your outbound messages. Have a nice day.